Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Electrum Wallets account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Electrum Wallets account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Electrum Wallet application. The official page of Electrum Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on Next at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your wallet name and tap on Next. Choose correct option for what kind of wallet you would like to create and tap on Next. Follow the prompts till the end, back up your seed and create a password for your Electrum Wallets account. Confirm your password by re-entering it and then tap on Finish. This is how you can sign up for your Electrum Wallets account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.